So, hello dear students. Today in this chapter number 2, fractions class 7th, now we would be doing some new questions there. The question is there before you on the board, which have been written there. Write the following in descending order. So in the previous video, I taught you how to write the numbers in ascending orders. So now today we would be discussing about how to write the fractions in descending order. Okay, so let's start. Let me write a question here before you. The first question is some fractions. I am just going to give you 2 by 4 comma 1 by 5, then comma 1 by 6, then 1 by 8. Okay, so these are the fractions which you have to write in descending order. So I told you in the previous video, I told you two methods to write the numbers, the fractions in ascending order. The two methods you have been told in the previous video. So same way, still two methods we are going to do here also, and with the help of these two methods we will write these fractions in their ascending and in their descending orders. Okay, so now first method number 1 is which one method? That is the LCM 1 method. Means we are going to take the LCM of all the denominators here. Okay, so let's write the first all the denominators first. 4, 5, 6 and 8, these are the denominators. Okay, so first of all you have to find out the LCM of all these denominators. So by which number should I divide first? Because you can see 5 is prime number here, is not divisible by any number, so let's divide by 5 first. Okay, not divisible by 4, so 4 as it is, 5 1 ja 5, 6 not divisible as it is, 8 not divisible as it is. Okay, now I think all are divisible by 2, so divide by 2, 2 2 ja 4, 1 as it is, 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8. Now still again you have to divide by 2, 2 1 ja 2, 1 as it is, 3 as it is, 2 2 ja 4. Now again by 2, 1 1 3 1. Now again by 3, 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. So this is how you will find out the LCM of these denominators. Now let's multiply all these to find out the LCM. So LCM would be equals to how much? Can you tell me the LCM? 5 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3. 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 22 ja 40 and 43 ja 120. 5 2 ja 10, 10 2 ja 20, 22 ja 40 and 43 ja 120. 43 ja 120, correct. Okay, now what to do? I told you, now I will change all the denominators into 120. Means I will divide this 120 by each of the denominator. Okay, so let's change this 2 by 4 now first. So here I am writing 2 by 4. Okay, so to make this 4 as 120, so what should I do? I think I will divide this 120, which was LCM, by the denominator 4. Okay, divide this 120 by the denominator 4. So how much it is coming? Just tell me. If you are dividing by 4, so 4 3 times 12, 0. So I think 30 is the answer. So it means you are multiplying denominator also by 30 as well as the numerator also by 30. So answer would be equals to 332 times 60 and 34 ja 120. So 60 by 120 we can write this 2 by 4. Okay, now next fraction is 1 by 5. Next fraction is 1 by 5. Now again you have to change this 5 into 120. Now what should I do? I would divide this LCM 120 by 5 now. By 5. How many times it is going? 5 2 times 10. 2 0 5 4 ja 20. So 24 times. So it means I would multiply denominator also by 24 as well as the numerator also by 24. Just multiply 24 1 ja 24 and 24 5 ja 120. Okay, now the next fraction is 1 by 6. Let's change this also. 1 by 6. So here also the LCM is 120. You are going to divide this LCM by 6 now. by 6 now. How many times it will go? 6 2 times 12. 0 not divisible, right as it is here. So it means 20 times. So it means you would multiply denominator by 20 as well as the numerator also by 20. So 21 ja 20 and 26 ja 120. Now the last one is 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Now what should I do? Again, I will divide this LCM by the denominator, that is 8. So let's divide it by 8. 8 1 ja 8, 4 left, 0 coming, 8 5 ja 40. So 15 times it is divisible. So multiply here also by 15 and numerator also by 15. So just multiply 15 one times 15 and 15 8 ja 120 again. Okay. So now I have changed all the fractions into the denominator as 120. Now I have to write these fractions in descending order. Descending means bigger to smaller. First the biggest one you will have to write, then at the last you will have to write the smallest one. So which is the biggest fraction here? Can you tell me? Yes, 15, 20, 24, 60. I think 61 is the biggest one. So this you have to write first. So here I am writing in descending order. Descending order. Visible DESCENDING, descending order. Okay. So which one you will write first? Because descending means bigger to smaller one. So biggest one is which one? 60 by 120. Okay. So smaller than this is which one fraction? This is biggest one. So the bigger mouth here towards this. So smaller than this is 60. Less than 60 is which one? I think 24. So next one would be equals to 24 by 120. Then less than this is which one? 20 by 120. Then less than this is which one? 15 by 120. So this is how we would write the fractions in descending order. So as you are writing the fractions in descending order, so the first one will be greater than the previous than the fraction which is coming after that. Okay. Now 60 by 120. 60 by 120 each was which one fraction? 2 by 4. So it means this is 2 by 4 greater than 24 by 120 is 1 by 5 greater than 1 by 5 greater than 20 by 120 is 1 by 6 greater than 1 by 6 and 1 by 6 is greater than 15 by 120 is 1 by 8. So this is how we have written these fractions in descending order. Are you getting? So this was the first method. Okay. Now we would do this question by the method number 2, where we are going to divide the numerator by the denominator. Okay. So just note it down. Now if you have noted this, let me erase this now. Okay. Let's move to method number 2. Method number 2, that is division method. So here we are going to divide the numerator by denominator. So first we will divide this 2 by 4. So divide this 2 by 4. Not divisible. Put decimal. Then here 0. 4 5 times 20. So I think it is coming 0.5. 0.5. So it means we have to write up to 2 places after the decimal. So I can add here 0. 0.5 or 0.50. No problem is there. Okay. Next digit is 1 by 5. Now in the next case, I have to divide this 1 by 5. 1 by 5. Just divide it. Not divisible. Put decimal. Then 0. 5 2 times 10. So it's coming 0.2. 0.2. Or I can add 0.20. Okay. Now in the next case, I am going to divide 1 by 6. This is 1 and this is 6. Not divisible. Put decimal. Then add 0. 6 1 ja 6. 4 is remainder. Then again put 0 here. 6 6 ja 36. So 0.16. 0.16 is answer. Okay. Now the next one. Here you are going to divide this 1 by 8. 1 by 8. Not divisible, put decimal, then 0. 8 1 ja 8, 2 remainder, then again 0, getting na, then 8 2 ja 16, 2 times going, so 0.12, 0.12. Now can you tell me which fraction is greatest here? Yes, here 0.50, here 0.20, 0.10, 0.16, 0.12. I think this is the biggest one. 0.50 is the biggest one. So 0.50 is which one fraction? 2 by 4. So it means 2 by 4 is biggest. So 2 by 4 is greater than which one? Then after 2.50, which one is there? Yeah, 0.20. So 0.20 is one, the second one. Means 1 by 5. Then next 0.12 or 0.16. 16 is greater. So 0.16 is this one. 1 by 6. And would be greater than 0.12 at the last would be 1 by 8. So this is how we will write these numbers in descending order by the division method. So hope you are knowing the division method now. Okay. So let me give you some questions for home where you have to do the questions on your own. So try these questions and send me back also. Okay. This was the first question. Now write some questions here. 2 by 6, 2 by 7, 1 by 8, 1 by 4. 2 by 6, 2 by 7, 1 by 8 and 1 by 4. Third one, 7 by 8, 9 by 8, then 5 by 6. Fourth one, 1 by 6, 2 by 4, 1 by 2 and 7 by 8. So these are some questions which you have to practice on your own. Okay, then later you have to send me the answer back. Okay, then stay tuned, keep watching.